Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make all over print t-shirt on Printify or how to make sublimation t-shirt on Printify. Once you have created your Printify account, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see my Etsy store. From there, you're going to tap on add new store. After selecting add new store, you're going to select the platform that you would like to connect your Printify account to. So you can connect it to start selling on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, or you can select the Printify pop-up. The Printify pop-up is an option that you can use to create a store for free and host it on Printify. So all you need to do is add in a store name. So for example, I'm just going to be calling this pop-up store. So you can type in the name right here. So let's do that. After you have added the name, from here you can see if the store name has already been taken. So you can see some suggested names. So I'm just going to be calling it pop-up store 1. Then you'll select your country of residency. So you can add that in real quick. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, you'll be redirected to the themes page. And from here, you can select the theme that you would like to use. After selecting the theme, you're going to tap on launch pop-up store. Then you'll tap on add products. After selecting add products, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select catalog. After tapping on catalog, you're going to select t-shirts. Then from here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap right where you see print area. And you're going to tap on all over print. After selecting all over print, you have a few options that you can select from. So for example, you could select men's sports jersey or unisex cut and sew tee. You have different options. So let's say for example, I were to select this option right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on start designing. Once you have tapped on start designing, you'll be able to upload your design. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on upload, then select my device, and from there you can select the design that you would like to use. So let's say for example this design, then you'll tap on open. And by the way, if you don't have a design as yet, a good platform to go on to create a design on would be Canva. All you'll need to do is create a Canva account, which you can do for completely free using your email address. Then you're going to tap on the search bar and from here you could type in t-shirt, then select t-shirt. After you have done that, you can get access to numerous templates that you can quickly customize. So once you have found a template that you like, you'll simply tap on it. Then you'll tap on customize this template. After you have done that, you can make changes. So you could change the text. You could also upload images or graphics by tapping on uploads from the left hand menu option. Then you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner and tap on download to save the changes. Once you're finished, you'll go back into Printify and you'll upload it. After you have done that, you can put it right there. Then you'll tap on apply to all areas. Then you can see it has been added. So all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply tap on all area view and you can see how it looks. Then you're going to tap on save product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on save product, from here you can choose the mock-up that you would like to use. So we're going to be using this mock-up for example's sake. Then you can scroll down, edit the product details, and you can also set the price. So you can tap on the current price. As you can see, the profit that we'll be making, if we were to sell it for $41, we would be making $16.67. If you would like to change that, you can simply increase the retail price right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish. Now that we have tapped on publish, you'll just give it a few seconds and the product will be added to your store. And it is as easy as that to create an all over print t-shirt or to create a sublimation t-shirt using Printify. So you can see right there, it has now been published. So if I were to tap here, so let me go back real quick. I'm going to be previewing it in my store. So I'll tap on the three dots, then I'll tap on see in store, and you can see how it looks right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.